Pop out the chat. Ooh. And let's get some synthwave going. Okay. So we might as well double check that tweet, right? We had a poll. Turns out everybody prefers enum with impl because it's more idiomatic. And Donut Pointer actually pointed out to us that there's no performance overhead, right? And we could actually do... he had another snippet we could add to it. Right, as far as like the type that we accept into the Rust implementation. So that might be the move there too. So yeah, right, overwhelming majority saying that we should use enum with impl. Donut Pointer even created a, hold on. No, that's a separate thing. He pasted the link yesterday and I probably lost it. But yeah, really cool stuff. Thank you, Donut. Oh, this was him fiddling with that. Yep. Well, hold on. Let me read this. All full-time and part-time employees. Yikes. Yeah, that's a gnarly one. That's a really gnarly one. And damn it, I have these in the wrong order. I needed hello up top. Is anybody in there? Or is there anybody out there is how I should have done it. And then another log should have been, is there anybody home? That would have been really good. I blew it. Missed opportunity, abandoned the whole project. All right, so yes, the code we want to fiddle with is how we're generating the Rust code. And it's gonna be based upon this template. Let's go hack it out. So I still want to do the pub const for name and ID. Yeah, super cringe. Moivop? Could I just say Mo? Does that work? What's up, Mo? How you doing? Oh wow, Algo just started. It's a late start for him. He doesn't do that often. So yeah, we do need the mod, but then this is where we end up doing the enum thing. Pub enum environments. Magic on my screen? Oh yeah, it's good. Are you talking about like the fireworks right there? Because that is magic. It's beautiful. Just beautiful. Hey, what's up, Wesley? Yeah, how you doing? Okay, so this is gonna be something like that. It's gonna be... I think it's environment name. It is environment name. Okay, so real quick, we want to do a pub impl of display. Enum impl display. Let me look at an example here. I think I do need the pub impl, right? This is going to be format display. Do I need to import format, however? Yep. So it'd be something like just that. And yeah, I think the match gets optimized too. So self is the value we care about. Yep. This value is then going to be environment name. Oh, and yeah, we got to do this part. Not for this. This is like a mustache template. Right, so we're gonna end up doing something similar with features. Okay. I think we're good. I think this means I'm going to want to fiddle with some of this. So yeah, that's all good there. Those are good. What we want to do is fiddle with our Rust client and see if we can do something there too. So if we do that, we get into lib here. We see group ID, that one's going to be that way in perpetuity. Yeah, so environment here. Rust argument into stir. Right, so I see the intos there. Nope, that is not it. Yeah, I think there's something I'm missing about how to do the impl part. Oh, so it would basically just be message, impl, into, and then the stir part. Nope, so they hate that syntax. Hmm. Hmm. Alright, so they hate that. Oh, so I can't put that on the type? Oh. Okay, so yeah, that's actually not so bad. Right? If we can control the function signature, we can always just call into for the things that we need. Okay. Right, and all of our usage below is fine. So Rust is checking our types for us, our tests are passing, even if we're passing a raw string, which is awesome. Okay. So now we got to actually start thinking about where the IDs and stuff get passed in. Yeah, let's rename a few of these. Okay, so yeah, that looks fine. Hey, what's up, Owen? Glad you got new internet? Yeah, me too, man. All right, so here we go. Group ID and feature name. That's solid. Yeah, how fast is it? And you said fiber, so that means probably like gigabit, right? All right, so getting the feature there. Yeah, group is fine there. This is the part where we end up doing that impl, though. Oh, and you know what? We could create an enum for group names. I don't know if that's worthwhile. Oh, yeah. You actually showed your Wi-Fi speeds. I forgot about that. Okay. Yeah, so it's not gigabit, but still is good. Yes, we can't do it for group. And not sure why this one had to be static, but then this one doesn't. I don't think that imposes a problem, though. So yeah, let's go grab... Where is it? This part. Not ideal, but it works. Yeah, and it's going to implicitly call the into for us. Nice. Well, I'll probably have one here in a bit. I'm drinking water at the moment, but I did pick up some whiskey today because I was running low. But yeah, I got to pace myself because I got gaming tonight. So yeah, we're going to drink some more water. Like, you know, water, like from the toilet. Take it easy, Box Dirty. Not a great thing to throw that term around. I picked up some 4 roses. Right, so that's the only place we needed that. I am gonna keep needing this. It's a good one. I almost want to name it like group name or ID as well. It's a bit verbose. I'm okay with it. Ah, shit. Hold on. I done fucked it up. All right. Let's start at the top. Coerced group stays. That part's fine. And that's right, coerced group is actually coerced group ID. Just double check these. Yep. Probably still gonna have some more errors. And yeah, Owen, I think you said the interview, man. But yeah, good luck. Alright, did we fix those? Almost. We got some more here. Ah, and it's a period instead of a space. Ah, really? That's a bummer. Okay, so now we can pick back up here. Dot into. Got a pizza? Nice. Okay, so now we're gonna go do this part. Any errors from those refactors? Looks like we got one. Yeah, and this refactor, not ideal, but I think it massively helps readability. Alright, but now we get some errors, and the next one we want to do is that with a paren after it. No red, perfect. It's the yellow. Unreachable pattern. I'm okay with that one. Alright, so, yeah, now these parts. So, group name or ID is going to stay string. So impl into static stir. Means this needs dot into. Shit. Accidentally copied. Here we go. What's up, Big W? How you doing? No, this is Rust. There's one more of these, and... boom. All right, so theoretically, for a consumer, this should be pretty straightforward. So now what I want to do... we're going to generate the Rust, bring it in as an example file, and see if that file actually works in practical usage inside of our test. And oh no, what did I mess up here? Ah, so we don't need to do the pub function format part. Okay. Let's rebuild it. I don't think we need much of this anymore. Let's close some of that. I love this image. It's so good. Oh, it's so good. Alright, this file should have been output properly. I think it's gonna compile. Oh, I forgot it on one of them though. Oh, and I'm changing that in the wrong damn place. Yeah, that was the mistake. I don't know. Wait, what? Oh, yeah. Don't save. Load it fresh. There we go. Yeah, I had modified that file, so that kept it from doing what we wanted. Oh, and Rust does 4-space indent? Really? Okay. Alright, so this part compiles now. Awesome. Yes, we should be good there. So if we add example, we go down to test, and do something like this. Does it compile? Will it blend? It absolutely does. Nice. Wait. Hold on. Oh, shit. Okay, so yeah, we got some issues here. I didn't even realize it. So yeah, until that file compiles, we won't know if we're actually doing it right. So what we got to do here is fix our template, because we're not wrapping the result here in quotes, and we should. Alright, so that was one of the things they complain about. The other thing is format there. What's up, Deep? Oh, and Sergio, I missed your follow too. How you doing? Oh, and yeah, display is implied as public as well. Okay, but standard : format. All right, there we go. Now, what I could do instead is do something like that. And then it's just display. But I'd also need to bring in resultant formatter. Okay, that's a weird one. Oh, do they have actual good stuff for Java? Right, you're not confusing that with JavaScript? I do want to throw this out there, though. Videos aren't the best way to learn. They're a good way to get, like, familiar somewhat with something, but actually, like, learning and, like, being able to, like, you're not going to remember everything from a video, and you can't search inside of a video. So it's basically, like, it's ephemeral content, whereas instead you should get really used to trying to find the right information via Google in documentation and things like that once you've got some of the concepts. So that's my recommendation there, too. So yeah, watch the videos at first, but don't make videos your primary way of learning, because they're terrible as a reference. Thanks, Zion. So use standard format display should be working right there, right? Like this display should be good. Oh, but is it something where I need it inside of here? Yeah, it needs to be included in every module. Yeah, it's still less boilerplates. Let's do it. All right, so display, formatter, and result. Make it into every group. Best way to learn Rust? There's some good books. Depends on, like, what is your level of experience? Would you say you know at least, like, a language or two fairly well? And you're just trying to learn Rust that way? Or would you consider yourself still kind of a beginner with a bunch of stuff? So you'd consider yourself pretty proficient with Java, right? So for the most part, the Rust book is quite solid, right? So this is like the official book. It's pretty good. I didn't read the book all the way through to learn. It might mean that I'm not a great Rust developer because of it. But for me, I find more value in trying to build something and then just looking up references and examples. So there's always the book. There's also Rust by example, which is kind of a collection of things that you're going to end up needing at some point anyway. So yeah, Rust by example is another great doc. And they're part of the official docs, which is cool. And then I think there was another one. Rust for... There's like a Rust for JavaScript developers. That one looks a bit spendy. Whereas like the Rust official stuff is free. But if you consider yourself a JS dev, this could be hugely useful. I think the Primogen recommends this as a learning resource. I've never used it, so I don't know. Keep that in mind. My way of learning is I have this tool called Proficientim, or at least like it's the way I learned Rust back in the day, where there's a back end for Proficientim, right? I implemented it in Node, right? The front end here is Angular 2, but the front end used to be React, and when Angular 2 came out, I just ported this over because it was a very small, simple application. Boom. So that's how I learned Angular 2 when that came out. But the back end, I wrote originally in Node. I have since re-implemented it, right? And this is, again, like 5 years ago. I re-implemented it with Rust, Go, Elixir, and I started with Swift and I think another language. Maybe Reason? I don't remember. But yeah, like, I like having a tool I can build that checks a bunch of the boxes that I care about, right? So for me, this API has to fetch data from two dictionary APIs. One comes back with JSON, the other comes back with XML. So I need to figure out how to do both of those things in a language. I need to figure out how to make a REST-ish API, right? So I needed to use Iron Router, right? I needed to do a whois lookup on a domain. Right? So there's a whole bunch of things that I just like checked a bunch of boxes for by simply, you know, making this thing, which is hugely useful. So in my opinion, right, I wouldn't recommend taking my tool and rebuilding it. Instead, have something that you can make really quickly in your, you know, your baseline language, the one that you prefer. And then from there, remake it in something new to you. Because then you're not solving business concerns, you're just solving syntax issues and library issues, which is a totally, like, much easier problem than having to think about all the business concerns from the start with a whole new project. So yes, my recommendation is have something that you're willing to port that checks enough of the boxes for you. But yeah, make sure it's something that is relevant to you, because it's going to be super boring implementing someone else's thing. What's up, Mastery? Welcome back. How you doing? Alright, so that first one we don't care about. This is where we start caring about them. Let's try and run this again. Here's another quick thing, though, Deep Gods, that I would do. Time yourself building it with your baseline, just in case. Right? Typically, you should be able to build it quicker with the thing you're more familiar with, but you do have to solve business concerns when you're doing it, so it may actually equalize out. But then as you learn a new language, keep a timer. Because then that'll, there are going to be certain things in certain languages that are going to feel like you spent more time dealing with it. When if you actually look at the data, total time, it took me about the same amount or less. But this one thing, because it didn't make any sense and I was spinning my wheels, made it feel longer. And I had that experience with Go because back in the day, marshalling JSON really didn't give you any discernible errors. It would marshal just fine, but it would be an empty struct because you might have forgotten to capitalize a prop, right? So that gets super annoying. And I still don't think they've actually fixed that very well. They've got documentation for it, but the errors are meh, right? Could you add a little flag for training wheels in the Go compiler to have it do some reflection to see oh, hey, you know how you're looking for this thing that's just not there? You probably need to capitalize it. Boom, right? So I think, yeah, depending on who's using it, plenty of Go devs would say, oh, just read the manual, right? Yeah, I understand public-private capitalization does it, right? But it's not obvious that passing this struct into the, marshaller is actually outside of it, because I'm doing it within what I'm doing, right? So, yeah, it's a little tricky. And yeah, I just don't like the idea of capitalization determining public or private. That's super annoying. Alright, so I think we are good. The output should be solid. Oh, that's right. So if I did something like this. Wait a minute. Right? It's the best. Oh. Oh, they hate that one. So yeah. Ah, no worries, Mastery. Thanks for hanging out. We'll see you again soon. Is this the infamous Crablang? No, this is Rust. Technically, same thing. Oh, yep. There's something I'm doing wrong with the result here. So it doesn't allow a generic. Oh. So we have to do the right thing. Let me double check this. All right, so that looks like it works. So yeah, these formats need to be updated. It is a result, right? All right, so that should work just fine. So our next step is we want to indent these individually. Because Rust does 4-space indent. Cool, so let's try it again, and let's see if it compiles. How is this song so damn slow too? Like, come on, man. Alright, will it blend? Any errors? Oh my god, so many errors. What did I do? This match could be written as a let statement. Yeah, so when there's only one, that's just a warning. That's fine. So I think I just have to do a prefix in the template here. Let's try and rebuild that. Oh, and yeah, the variables can be used directly in it now. Okay. So wait, variants in this enum are never constructed. I'm not sure that's entirely accurate. I should probably make everything line up for how Clippy wants to do it. All right, bare minimum, let's fix the right thing. And I'm wondering if this is just because we're not using it anywhere else. So an example of that would be... Oh, actually, hold on. I think I removed that from down here. Yep. Xmapple. Right, so we see that get there just fine. Let's do this part too. Okay, hold on. Yeah, so we're gonna have to fix that part here. Value name is working, the into stuff is a bit of effort. But yeah, we'll go fiddle with it. So confused on what that means. Damn, and really dead stream today. Fair bit of people streaming. Yeah, no worries. No, not even like the chat, just that is a really low number. That is pretty rare. But, yeah. It happens. Oh, our match statement didn't get indented right? That's a weird one. Oh, no, I see what happened. So let's grab the output. All right, so we fix a bit of it. Yeah, the casing is a thing that's fine. All right, and then this never being constructed, right? Because this is a failure, that's probably why the others didn't get caught. What's up, Ant Farm? How you doing? Anouk? What's up, Ethan? How you doing? Nice. You mean sandwich? You know you don't have to create a new account to do that, right? You can change your name like once a year. Once every 6 months, I think. All right, Sandlordium. For what you owned? Oh, business you owned or whatever? Yeah, it's been a while. I'm good. So, I think I'm misunderstanding something here. Yeah, any Rust experts got any idea what I should be doing there? Sure, Ant Farm. Dude, maybe take some time with your typing. The typos are really hard to read through. Mm-hmm. So basically, if I want this to work, let's go do it for value features integer. Let's move this over to the front. Dude, Ant Farm, please try and type a little slower, right? It is getting really hard to parse your sentences, man. It's fine, it's just... I don't know, anything that's too much effort to parse, I'm just gonna ignore. Sorry. So yeah, I need to figure something out with the from. I don't know what it is yet. All right, so Rust from example. Here we go, from into. Perfect. Yeah, slowing down is going to make it so much easier. Thank you. But yeah, I'm guessing you're asking how's my weight growing. It's going fine. So yeah, we need to do another impl. Let me try and make it work here. Right, so we pass self. I don't think it takes in the formatter at all. So maybe instead of display, I wanted to implement into. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, it sounds fun. No, you're good. You're good. Just, you know, try and actually, like, fix your typos as you go. That's kind of what I meant. Rather than just sending it off before even looking. I don't think this is the right implementation here, but I think we're good. So yeah, I don't need the parens. We would just do... Right, match self. Yeah, so basically from implies into, right? Yeah. Would I be better off implementing into instead? Oh, you're saying it's going to return self. Oh, good catch. From does both. Okay. Right, doesn't into do both as well? No. No, I don't have an I-32. Oh, we have I-32 there. I want to do and stir. Yeah, it's a good catch. That was a copy thing. Yeah, and I fixed it. We're good. We're doing some Rust code. So yeah, we're non-exhaustive. So wait, from does both. Couldn't I implement into as well? Because I think into makes more sense. Yeah, I think into makes more sense. Ah, so from ends up doing both? Oh, okay. Yep, that'll happen. And what's up, Sean? Welcome back. Alright, so then that's that one's fine. I don't know if I actually need the display. Rogerio? No, it doesn't show up on stream. Sorry. But I do respond to it, I do see it. So I think that counts, right? Why? I'd prefer the lurk where you're at. Why do you need the chat to show on screen? I know, I get it, Alkaline. I appreciate you. Thank you. Yeah, that's a bummer, Ant Farm. Yeah, no worries, Sandlordium. Have a good night. So instead of display, yeah, I'm gonna get rid of the from for now. See if we can get this working again. Oh, and yeah. This would be and stir. Oh. Yeah. I still like what we got. Clippy, I'm gonna say no. No. Right? Because then this just totally works. Whereas the from wasn't working. Right? Because we make this work. What am I missing about the implementation here? Right? Into is totally fine. Right? It's exhaustive. It compiles. But this hates it. So maybe... No? But I don't want to do that. Because I need watch hours. Nah, I'm just gonna do into. It makes more sense anyway. Hey, thank you, lurkers over on YouTube. Yeah, I need to hit 4,000 watch hours on YouTube. Now, granted, I could do that by making more videos, probably. But I'm already streaming. Yeah, I'm gonna leave the into. Right, and it's actually a fairly simple refactor of what we got over here in the template as well. God damn it. Alright, so let's run this, and we should be able to just paste that in and have it work. Yeah, like, it just makes sense for what we're doing because it compiles and everything, and we only need the into, right? We don't need the from. Oh, and yeah, I forgot one simple thing in our template. Forgot to remove the let from there. Oh, and that's the wrong place. And alright, so if this ends up working, I think it might be whiskey time. Ooh, shoulder pop. So I'm okay with those. A little curious why integer doesn't seem like it's being called. But it totally works in here. I'm gonna call it good. Tests pass and everything. All right, let's clean up our logs. Cool. So... console.log. Types have been generated for language. In output. Success. There we go. Something like that. Let's see the output. Yeah, into it. Boom. So let's commit what we got. All right, so source and package and build. And types. And client Rust. Don't need any of that other stuff. All right, so the fix is, actually it's feat. CLI tool up and running for current SDKs. JS, TS, Rust. Boom. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna use the restroom. I got enough water for now. And yeah, when I get back, I'm gonna pour a whiskey. So I'll be right back. See you in a sec. Alright, and I'm back. So yeah, pretty happy with that. I think solid progress there. Could have done with cleaning my glass a bit better, but yeah, whiskey time. Let's pour one of these real quick. And yeah, what's everyone up to? Anything fun? Design system work for pass off, for handoff? Hell yeah. It's always a good feeling. Ooh-wee. That was delicious. Rogerio spent your morning with less than a megabit of download speed? That is gnarly. Were you going from your phone or something? You're about to build a Rust migration tool from Microsoft SQL to SQLite? That sounds fun. Yeah, are you going to be doing that just like string-based, or are you going to be doing it with a parser? I'm not aware. Are there good parsers into an AST? SQLX allows for writing raw SQL? What do you mean by that? Oh, see, I was thinking you'd go a different direction with it. My thought was that you were going to do like a dump from Microsoft SQL and then just transform it into SQLite using an AST. Right? Like using a parser that turns it into an AST and then just mapping it. Yeah, looks fine. So wait, this is a Golang tool though. Is there a SQLX for Rust as well? There is. Oh, I didn't know that. Well, it's quite popular too. Yeah, it makes sense, Croucher. Yeah, seems cool. Okay. So there's always more work to do. What is the next step? We got the CLI tool working in the way I wanted. Shuffle this back over. All right, so we're not deployed up. The JS here seems fine. We could make the TS into like enums and stuff, but I don't know if that's that necessary. Oh, and sorry, Rogerio. So 1 gig down connection getting slowed down by your company's VPN. Oh, that's brutal. I was having really weird issues the other day where I couldn't even connect to like the Bun website and shit, and I just had to reboot my Mac. So if you run into that in the future, Rogerio, that might be worth trying out too. All right, so let's dig into the marketing side again. Server's down, that's right. Probably need to bring that back up. Oh, solution was a DNS change. Interesting. Yeah, that's a bummer. Oh, hold on, let me check one thing here. Okay, so pnpm dev Oh, yeah. All right, so we got to fix that now. We did some updates previously. Wait, is it not that file? Oh, here we go. We're done. Yeah, so we can do example value features integer without having to do the as string stuff. Just needed to implement into. They don't, like, Clippy doesn't like into. I'm fine with it. Yeah, implementing from wasn't worth it because we only need to go into. So Badman, most of it is probably from this artist, White Bat Audio. Yeah, exactly. My function calls into for the user. Oop. Right, so then it's just nice and easy. I still do like one const, and I may want to think about like casing and some of those things. Dude, the ads seem like they're happening so damn often. This is getting annoying. I'm gonna make sure I've turned off my ads as much as I can. Because it seems like they're popping up way too often. Damn, I can't disable him any further. That's annoying. But yeah, Badman, real quick. The big thing to remember there is the artist reuses a lot of their songs from playlist to playlist, so just keep checking. Right? If you're looking for a specific playlist. But you're probably just looking for the artist. Oh, hold up. We got a quick little flaw over here in the rust, though. Sure. Yeah, let's just double check for some of these warnings. Yep, those are fine. Alright, so yeah, that was a good quick little fix. Okay, so we're gonna delete that. I guess I had not fixed this part yet. Right, and we got all these in here, so I think we can just get rid of that documentation component. I don't think we're using it. And what up, enemy? How you doing? Alright, so let's look at our docs here. Should reload just fine. Element type is invalid. Where? Oh. Yeah, so previous next. Let's go look at it. We got those. There we go. So we get the icon back. Sweet. I must have disabled JavaScript. That's my current guess. Nope. All right, well, that's weird. Oh, and yeah, how do we feel about our mobile menu so far? I think I'm okay with it, right? The Discord link is something we need. You like it? All right, cool. It's not perfect. I think when we do this, it gets weird. No, it's not bad. It's just fuzzy. I don't know why it's fuzzy. Yeah, all right, we'll keep working on it. Yeah, good enough there. We definitely got some stuff I want to do to make it look prettier. And turn that off for now. So core concepts, why feature flags? Just checking some stuff here too. There's something weird and off about the flash when we navigate. Yeah, no worries, enemy. I mean, I can look. You've been following for over 3 years, right? The day after my birthday in 2020. So that's a long time. Yeah, appreciate you. Thank you. And hold up, SQL iceberg? Is that Apache iceberg? Oh, he's talking about, like, not necessarily Apache Iceberg. Yeah, I saw it in his title and I was curious. I was just curious. Yep, videos pop right up. Yeah. There's a couple things that released recently that are building on top of Postgres. But he's got very strong opinions about how Postgres isn't capable of scaling. Oh, is that it? Yeah. This part? Yeah. Okay, so he's talking about that iceberg. The Kubernetes one is even gnarlier. Every SQL operator is actually a join. I don't necessarily know about all of them, but a lot of them, yeah. Thank you, Ultima Online, for that word. And hey, what's up, Purple Elf? Oh, that was a good meme. That was a very solid meme. Oh, someone else shouted it out. But yeah, hold on. Let's show everyone your awesome meme. That was so good. Did you come up with that yourself, or did you just, like, pull a trash dev and copy it from somewhere? You came up with that one? Oh, that's a good meme. Oh, that's a good meme. Right? It's pretty cool how some emoji are implemented as combinations of others. Right? So, you know, this one and that. Blowing out the mouth. Right? Heart and fire. Heart fire. Right? Face with no mouth and clouds. A. And then people obsessed with eggplants. Apple. That is a very good meme. Absolutely monetize it, for sure. Oh, it's such a good meme. Yeah, nailed it. Nailed it. It deserves way more recognition. 30 likes with only 1,500 views is pretty solid, though. And really, hold on, how long ago was it? It was a few hours ago. Yeah, no worries, enemy. For sure. Yeah, I like streaming. I really enjoy it. I'm glad y'all enjoy watching it. See, that's the thing, though, Purple Elf. Fanboys would actually take offense and, right, be up in arms and tweet about it and do some bullshit in the response. Like, yeah. Yeah, it's actually engagement bait at this point. I think it goes above people's heads. I don't think they realize. I think that's the problem. There are people that have no idea Maybe they didn't even get this far. They're like, oh, yeah, cool. Yeah, you can combine emojis. Right? And they didn't even get this far. Or they just didn't get it. No worries, Mr. Friend. That's fine. Yeah, I just think people don't realize how good your meme game is. Right? You got to keep it up. You got this. You'll be world renowned for your quality, like, you know, quality memes. This is a good one. I think really you need someone like Theo or Prime to see it and like amplify it a bit. That would be the move. But yeah, enjoy. Have a great rest of your night. Thank you for the raid. Appreciate everyone joining from the raid. So what are we working on lately? Well, today we just finished up the CLI tool that generates a schema from your feature flag JSON file. A little bit there, Mr. Friend, for sure. So yeah, we were writing some Rust code earlier today, verifying that our types work. And yeah, so this example.rs file ignores some of the casing issues and some of that BS. It turns out, we can actually improve it a bit. We can clean it up. We don't need that anymore, right? But these other things, we're gonna ignore. They're yelling at us about it. But for the most part, all of this, right? We even have a warning. This file was auto-generated. So we have a CLI tool that combs our JSON file and generates these enums, and then allows you to use them in a way that, you know, you don't have to memorize the ID, which is awesome. Right? Helps prevent magic strings in your code because we got an enum for it now. So yeah, pretty happy about it. And yeah, happy Wednesday there, Captain Coder. And yeah, so basically the CLI tool is something that consumers of Vexilla will use to generate types. You're encouraged to actually git ignore it and have it as part of like a git install, or like a post install hook maybe, or possibly just like a CI/CD thing, right? But the gist is you can generate actual types that you can use in your code rather than relying upon magic strings, which is awesome. Right? So having to remember the name of your group, gradual, or this ID for it, that sounds terrible. When instead, yeah, we can just look at, you know, example.rs here and do our thing. Yeah, so that's part of the gist. I want to be able to generate types so that people can be more productive in their code. And that's what we're doing. The next part we're actually working on, and yeah, hold on, seriously, everyone out there, if you use Twitter, use this shit. Do it. What are you waiting for? Just use it, thumbs up this thing, possibly retweet it, comment on it. All right, let's send this tweet into the atmosphere. To the moon. And yeah, the part that we're on right now for Vexilla is we were looking at the docs and seeing what we can improve there. We had some bugs to fix, sure. I don't like that flash that's going on, but we can ignore that for now. But I think the big part is we need to think about, I think, our marketing page, like our main homepage first. Oh, I'm sorry, man. Convoy you? Convoy? I don't know what that means in this context, but yeah, no worries. And I'm sorry. Sorry your grandma died. But, dude, she died a grandma. That's awesome. That's so cool. She lived a very full life and she got to see her children have children. That's amazing. Right? There's some people that never get that chance. Right? Even if they do have children, they'll never see their grandchildren because they pass away too early. So, it is a loss. It's a bummer. But still, you can recognize the beauty of it, the value of it. She lived a good life. That's all that matters. We will all die. None of us are getting out of this thing alive. The key is, did she enjoy her time? And my guess would be yeah. So yeah, no worries, enemy. Enjoy your buzz, enjoy your drink. I'll see you again soon, right? Let's pour another beverage. How about that one? Yeah, at least you understood it, so for sure, man. Exactly. There is a silver lining to most things. There's like a positive way to look at most sad events. Not all of them. But, yeah. It's a glass half full mentality instead of glass half empty. So yeah, what's everyone else up to? Anything fun? Anything extra cool that you're just stoked on that you want to talk about while I'm, you know, mixing this beverage and hanging out and just chilling? And yeah, so here's a question. I need y'all to go check out the Vexilla.dev website and let me know what you think is missing. We're definitely not ready for Product Hunt. Not yet. But we can improve this. Like, really, we haven't touched this marketing, like this front end page in like at all. We just copied and pasted it directly from like the original site. And we've completely changed how this stuff's gonna go. So I'm gonna refactor the logic itself, and I don't know, we'll have to think about something image-wise. Right, we're using more of like that blue as our branding blue, not necessarily like that purplish blue. So we'll have to fix some of that too. But yeah, I'm thinking we want to get some of this like timeline stuff fixed. Right, want to get some of that fixed. Let's get like a big old massive like footer. Right, so it'll improve a whole bunch of our other stuff that we're doing on the site for documentation. If you have thoughts and questions about how the documentation site should work, technically that's broken because... Oh, actually, no, that's fine. Ooh, no, it isn't. So yeah, we got some stuff to do for like the sidebar here. I don't necessarily want to do it yet, though, because we fiddled with that too much the other day. And yeah, no worries, enemy. Yep. Hold on, before you go. Before you go. Cheers. Yeah, no worries, Captain Coder. Is this site not crawlable with links? It is statically rendered, so it should at least work. And yeah, cheers, man, for sure. Have a good night. So yeah, just in case, let me know, right? If you have questions about how Vexilla works, could I call that out on the homepage? And abso-fucking-lutely, let's do that. We had two things I wanted to do that are just super easy. One is gonna be adding a Discord link, right? Like an invite link. Another that I wanted to tackle is gonna be... Oh shit, I had it just on the tip of my tongue a second ago and it vanished. Hold on. So it was the Discord thing. There was something somewhat like that that I wanted to add to. We want to do the footer. Discord link. I know there's something else in there I wanted to do. Not bad in links? Yeah, I'm sure it needs a lot of work. Yep, but cool. I think it was a documentation thing I wanted. Yeah, exactly, Captain Coder. Oh, looks like we got an unban request. Who here thinks it's gonna be sincere? Who here thinks it's actually gonna be a sincere unban request? It is sincere, but questionable. I'll unban them, but I'll let them know why. They fucking blocked me based upon some drama with another streamer, right? Like, why internalize someone else's drama? That ain't right, man. I'll do a good faith unban. But if it's not fixed in a while, yeah, it'll be right back where it was, because what the fuck, dude? Right? I got beef with a couple streamers when other viewers internalize that beef as their own. That's absolutely a fucking bannable offense. How's it going, Ryan? I don't know if you saw, but the reason you were banned is because you blocked me. How would you take that? And it's been over a year. That's fine, it happens. But you were internalizing the White Panther beef, right? She's not even banned here anymore. Because she didn't actually block me, she just banned me. Right? But don't take other people's beef as your own. That is not productive. You sure? You sure it wasn't when I called Maddie Two Shoes not great? Because the timing seems about right. Which is also stemming from that same beef. Alright, I don't know, man. Pretty interesting to throw a block for basically no reason, which is kind of what you're saying. I'm good, just chilling. Right, let's do the Discord link. And yeah, no one needs to follow this. I'm just gonna paste it for myself so that I have it, right? I would prefer it if people that are only actually interested in using Vexilla join. So I'm not looking for like crazy numbers or anything. I haven't done anything for the Discord yet either, as far as like, you know, like setting it up proper, having a good support channel, etc. Do I have any mods that consider themselves experienced enough with Discord that they'd like to help set up a Discord for it? This could especially be nice for people that want to actually try and get a job as like a community DevRel, right? Having experience setting up communities is valuable. If not, I'll put some time into it eventually. But yeah, let me get the link. Edit invite link, no limit, never expire. What about the when? The when is real soon. And yes, I'm referencing Buckaroo Banzai there, Sacking. Where are we going? Planet 9. When will we get there? Real soon. No one then. So Stacking, how's your team looking? Were you the one that had Aaron Rodgers? Someone in our league had Aaron Rodgers, and it's gnarly. Like, dude, that poor person. Who Framed Roger Rabbit has him? Oh no. I forget. Whose is that? Rogers Rabbit? No, they don't. No, Rogers Rabbit doesn't have Aaron Rodgers. They have Joe Burrow, which is just as bad. Joe Burrow and Aaron Rodgers almost got the same exact fucking score in fantasy. Oh, God. Oh, that's not good. Oh, he was on someone's bench? Okay, that's good. Whoever did that is a genius. I'm actually really curious now. Was that a Toda? No, he has Dak on the bench, which makes a lot of sense to me. Exactly, verbs. Dude, it's so brutal. Let me just point out, the New York Giants, I had them as my defense. I needed 1 point from them to win, and I got -1. I needed 1 point. Like, dude. Nah, it was basically like, it was like maybe 0.5, maybe 0.7. It was close enough to where like I just needed 1 kind of thing. But yeah, you're right. I needed technically less than 1. Dude, it's so brutal. This is bullshit. Still scoreless this season? Yeah, that's gnarly, man. I'm guessing whoever had Rodgers has dropped him already. And yeah, Daniel Jones. You mean Danny Dimes? Because that's all he's with? Like, all he's worth? I don't know if anyone even has Purdy. Let me point that out. And wait, Rodgers is on his bench? Oh, so they had Rodgers and then dropped him? Oh, no, there it is. You're right. Who Framed Roger's Rabbit? Oh, poor person. Oof. That's a big oof. Yeah. Fun stuff, though. Anthony Shu. He hasn't streamed in ages. Oh, hold on. But he's awesome. He is doing some amazing fucking work at Vexilla. So Anthony Shu, Right, there he is. Oh, look at how young he looks in that one. Holy shit, dude. All right, so hold on. Anthony Shu, he's doing like a mono repo thing? Mono repo maestros, that's it. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, this is awesome. So yeah, this is a really cool thing he's making. No worries, Brahm. I'll see you again soon. Yeah, people who only got one might have set their, like, preferences differently. Because you can set, like, what you want to have auto-drafted for you. And real quick, hold on. Ryan Tupo, thank you for the refollow. X-Codex, thank you for the follow. And Rip Snake MDQ. What does the MDQ stand for? I don't know. Did he use Starlight for this? I'm curious what he built it on. But yeah, this is an awesome site. Yeah, he's killing it, man. For sure. Can we recognize that maybe, like, these are all the things that Vercel has investment in? Probably not Sentry, but still. And shit, hold on. I pasted that Discord link and promptly forgot about it. So yeah, I need to copy this. Copy, making copies. And yeah, I need to put that somewhere. I'm thinking utils? Oh yeah, I have a bunch of epic hoodies. Technically, it's still a bit warm for them. As the weather starts getting colder, you'll see it more and more, but yeah, it's still a bit warm. You want to see something actually kind of cool that I'm really proud of? I got myself an iPath shirt, right? iPath went out of business like fucking 8 to 10 years ago. But I still got an iPath shirt. Fuck yeah, I do. Technically, only because the company, or not company, but the rep that used to rep for Rome, still reps for Rome, used to also rep for iPath. But then iPath went out of business. Same reason I get free, like, One Ball J-Wax, same reason I get free Von Zipper goggles, same reason I get free Neff beanies. It's been like a year or two, we'll see if I actually get any this year. Typically just gotta go and help them out for a day. Chicken fried steak, so good. MDQ is for Mar del Plata, the city you live in Argentina. Oh, cool. I think that's the country Skizzers is from, too. Yeah, I think we know someone else that's a mod here who also lives in Argentina. I know it's not Chile. I know it's not Brazil. So, yeah. But yeah, super cool, man. So yeah, welcome. Wandix, thank you for the hello. How you doing? All right, they're over on the YouTube. I'm saying hi. What you up to, Wandix? I'm gonna pour another beverage because it's a Wednesday, and why not? I got gaming to play later, for sure. Oh, yeah. We hit the 1K. I need to update that command. That's a good idea. I mean, same thing we do every night. I'm not trying to go super ham, but I do have gaming tonight. Tomorrow I'll be going easy on the whiskey until I get into Seattle at least. I should probably have more days in which I don't drink whiskey. But what fun is that? Exactly, Stacking. I always like using the no virtue without temptation type quote. So yeah, the real key is, if I'm better about it, I should be able to have just one or two and be okay. And typically we do that on Sundays just fine. I don't know that song, actually. Yeah, what song is that, Stacking? Is that a Jersey thing? Oh, you had a kid? Oh, shit. Oh, that's awesome, man. Yeah, congrats, Ryan. Yeah, Stacking, what song, man? I have no idea what song you're talking about. If it was made in the past 10 years, I probably don't know it. Unless it's Django Django. $6 old? Oh, legit, man. Yeah, that's cool. So they did the Turning Japanese song? That was a lyric in the Turning Japanese song? I don't know that one. I mean, like, I know the song, I don't know the reference. Like, I don't know the lyrics to that shit. Like, I know the, right? I really think so. Right? I can do that part just fine. That's the only part of the song I know. Yeah, alright, yeah. Yeah, I don't know. Man, they are so fucking 80s, though. This guy's got, like, the 90s woodshop teacher haircut. This guy's got the, I'm going for a mullet, but type haircut. I think this guy has one, too. Charles in Charge style. Yeah, exactly, productivity. That's the Charles in Charge haircut, which just so happens to be the 90s woodshop teacher haircut. Coincidence? I think not. Stacking, my hair actually naturally grows into a mullet. So much so that when I cut my hair, I like to call it hacking the Gibson. Wait, what? Somehow they all look like Elijah Wood in some way. Right? If you like combined all of their faces, boom, Elijah Wood. That's crazy, dude. Unironic, like, I wasn't kidding. Like, it was a joke, but it was a joke based on reality, okay? Like, for sure, man. Villain arc? Wait, why is she a villain? I don't get it. Oh, God. What the fuck, dude? Who would make that? Sorry, just the worst. How dare they? And I still forgot to copy that link and put it somewhere. Damn it, man. It's like this dude's smoking weed or something. I don't get it. Alright, so we need a utility for this. Constants, sure. Right, we want to export const, and it's going to be Discord invite link. We should const case it. Hold on, wait. I would also accept... Hold on, if we do this. I would also accept... Damn it, that wasn't it. Here we go. 90s gym teacher as well. Kind of interesting how 90s gym teacher and 90s woodshop teacher have the same haircut. They both had nothing else to fall back on. Anthony replied, hold on, let's do this. Two-month-old baby working at Versal, like, yeah, exactly. He's got shit to do. But real quick, so yeah, I should probably release a few more clips and photos I found from the snowboard era. I was gonna tweet something at him. Fuck, there was something else I wanted to add to this, though. Well, I'll do that while I'm thinking about it. What the fuck, man? Come on, brain. It was something I wanted to ask him. Damn it, man. Oh. There we go. That was it. Yeah, it's about TwitchCon. All right, so let's close some of this. We got this thing there, so we can start using that. It's gonna go in our footer. I think. Oh, yeah. So our footer is just part of like the main layout. That's right. All right, so here we're gonna import this. This is Discord. Oh, if I could type. There we go. And yeah, just making sure I'm not missing nothing. We don't end up even using that there. So I'm a little bummed this is something. The flicker? I don't know if there is. Yeah, sorry, Dr. Free. Nah. Not that I know of. Like, you know, if you want to check out the plugin and try and fix it, go for it. So yeah, Dr. Free, I would say check out the source code for that. You can probably mess with it. Hold on. Sorry. Ken Wheeler's fucking hilarious. What if there's no aliens and this is just what humans evolve into after a million years of being little bitches on the internet? Touché. 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 Oh, okay. So it's something that someone could actually, like, fork, right? So is it he didn't merge it, or like he hasn't looked at it yet because he's not paying attention? But yeah, no worries, Dr. Free. Yeah, good job looking into that. So yeah, might get to hang out with the Anthony Shu. That'd be awesome, wouldn't it? Oh, cool. Yeah. I get to throw a lurk on someone who lurks here all the time. Yeah, that'll probably be where the raid goes at some point if they keep streaming. Okay, so back to it, right? We throw a link in here. All right, so hold on. I probably need to create social media for, like, all this shit, right? So we got the Discord. Sure, no problem. I'm thinking we should at least get a Twitter. LinkedIn, things like that. I don't like that Twitter made it so hard to actually, like, switch between your separate accounts and shit. I swear they used to have an easy way to do that. Yeah, even if I don't use them, yeah. I could have sworn Twitter used to have a thing for switching between accounts. Really? I had blue tick for a while and I don't remember that. Do you need blue tick on every account? Where do you see that? I don't see that in the UI anywhere. Because I need to do that. Like, yeah, I have multiple accounts, like, separated, right? Like, separated out, but I can't fucking find them. Left side, add your name? On the more thing. I don't see it. What up, Nem? How you doing? Left side bottom, click on my name? Oh! Oh my god! Oh, dude. Okay, yeah. No, I found it. Thank you. I was like looking in the more section and shit. Okay, yeah, that's way better. It's like so low that I don't even see it. So I had that wired up for a while. I guess since like the buy, or since like Elon bought it, that hasn't been a thing. Or at least like maybe it got reset or some shit. So yeah, no, I see it. Yeah, thank you, Dr. Free. Really appreciate that. So yeah, I got some work to do for that. Oh, dude, I haven't logged into Fastmail in ages. I think I reset my Fastmail on some other account. So yeah, I'll do the Twitter later. What we need to do is add the icon here for Discord. Or maybe just the word Discord. I think it's fine. All right, so let's pour another beverage. How you doing, Standard, Mr. Sir? And yeah, what up, Nem? I'm doing well, just chilling, hanging out. Interesting, we see Discord in there. But in a weird way. Let's do this too. We need plausible in there. Yeah, I think we're okay with that. I think I want to add it to the app as well. What up, C17? How you doing? All right, so the feature, or the feat, or whatever, right? Also add Discord link and plausible analytics snippet. All right, so we get that pushed up. I haven't used Party Town yet. I wouldn't mind it. It's the only analytics snippet I have, and it's already deferred, so I don't know if, like, Party Town actually helps anything. If I ended up having more stuff than just the one, yeah, maybe. But for a single request, I don't think it matters, and it's already deferred. So, meh. Not to say Party Town's not awesome, it's pretty cool. But I don't think it fits my use case yet. I'd have to add a whole bunch of other like analytics and tracking tools for it to make any sense to me. Oh, they actually have an Astro integration already? Well, that sounds cool too. Yeah. Yeah, I don't think I'm at a level that needs it yet. The moment I get more of these things, abso-fucking-lutely, but I just don't think we need it yet. And it's a cool tool, like it's really nifty. And that's by the quick dev people, right? Yeah, it's the quick people. Yeah, awesome. Yeah, Sammy is super cool, man. Yeah, we've had Sammy on as a guest. I feel bad because I totally fucked it up. Like, the recording wasn't worthwhile. I couldn't actually publish it anywhere. I feel bad for wasting his time, actually. But he's such a chill dude, and, like, massively helped us out. When we were doing, like, the, you know, the boring or avatar stuff. Mm-hmm. Hey, there's our first view, and they are quick on it. Wow, they are really quick on it. Yeah, if like, Croucher, if you don't remember, boring or avatars, man, right? We ended up supporting all these frameworks using mitosis to do so. It feels like so long ago that we did this, doesn't it? Anyone actually remember this? Yeah, I'm gonna end up needing to use it at some point, right? All right, you do remember it? Nice. I think at some point we could start adding more and more like avatar styles, and that would be awesome, actually. That'd be really cool. But yeah, all right. So we got some page views. We got a single page view, actually, but I'm okay with it. Yeah, we can start tracking this stuff. What I'm curious about, do we get the app as well? Oh, that link's no good for the app. So we're gonna have to fix that too. Oh, you know what? I think I need a separate one for the app. Yeah, I think that's it. It is tough to maintain, Darren. It depends on the projects. I haven't done anything major for Bohringer avatars. But typically, keep in mind, there's a few things I'm slacking on. For NeoVim Biscuits, we got something we need to fix, and I've been slacking on that one. We'll have to take a day sometime during the week to like solve and fix some of that stuff. I used to use Sundays for my open source stuff, but I've been using Sundays to catch up on work stuff. So because of that, I haven't had a day for like the random open source stuff. And I need to actually start setting a day aside sometime during the week. Maybe Wednesdays would be the day. Like, viewership is super low on Wednesdays, so like, you know, if it's boring, it doesn't matter as much. Right? Mainly because it seems like everyone besides the Primogen decides to stream during the main part of Wednesdays for some reason. Croucher, you're using the wrong app. Yeah, you're using the wrong app. That's the old one. Yeah, we've got a totally separate way of doing this stuff for like the new version. So yeah, you're using the old version, probably like based upon the command we have. We need to update our command based upon what we launched within the past week or so. But yeah, I think I want to do a separate plausible analytics for that subdomain. Wait, what about good old SEO? Oh, absolutely a Google Analytics replacement, because it's like it doesn't even require the cookie stuff because we're not using cookies. We're doing like anonymized, like massively anonymized data tracking. So yeah, we don't even need a cookie. So we don't have to do like the cookie notification. And I don't want to use any service that needs more than that. Yeah, exactly. So plausible is great. There's another one. Is it what's it called? Axiom or something? I think Axiom's another good one. Yeah. So Croucher, it's gonna be the top like thing for a while. My main goal will be to redirect from that one to like the main site. So yeah, I'll be implementing a like full-on like either HTTP or some other kind of redirect on that site that you just saw. But yeah, Axiom is error and tracing logs. Hold on. GDPR compliant analytics. I thought Axiom was like part of that, but yeah, maybe I'm wrong. Matomo, Piwik, yeah, those are things. Let's look at any of these posts. Yeah, I thought it was that Axiom. I thought they did, like, analytics as well. They don't do analytics? They're just a Sentry competitor? For some reason, I thought they did analytics too. Matomo, Piwik, Simple Analytics, Plausible Analytics. Fathom! No, I was thinking of Fathom. You're right. It ends with OM. Fathom is the other one that's worth looking into, for sure. Yeah, Fathom is the other one. Yeah, my bad. I don't know, I feel like Fathom does, like, so much other stuff that I don't need. Google change of address tool? I mean, I could do that, but I could also just redirect. Pretty sure Google would pick up on the redirect just fine. Right? If it's like a permanent redirect. Hold on, what's the status code for permanent redirect? Is it 302? Yeah, 301 is temporary. Ooh, 302 is found. No, 301 is moved permanently. Yeah, 301 is it. And look at that. That orange cat with his 2 brain cells moved to the exact right place. Good job, cat. Good job. $307. How are you not all using http.cat for any of your use case? If you're not a cat person, I get it. Just use http.dog instead. Shit. Hold on, wait. Oh, little guy. Oh, that jumping Jack Russell. So yeah, 301 moved permanently. No big deal. Nailed it. Yeah, did you not know this? Did you not know this? Not modified, he's still got his balls. 307, he's just in like a random sandbox. Oh, that's good. Is .chupacabra an actual like valid domain? If so, that'd be amazing. That'd be amazing. Yeah, MetaMe, like, dude, it's so good. It's such a good website. If you ever need to look up a status code for these things, you should be using http.dog or http.cat. Like, for sure. Technically, animal domain names. Animal TLDs? Ooh, http.chris. Is that a legitimate domain? Is that a legitimate TLD? Nope. Alright. I don't know why it wouldn't be. How about that, okay? Shit. It's such a common name, why wouldn't it be? I know, you got my hopes up. How dare you? I would absolutely take photos of myself in random situations to make my own HTTP website. Are you fucking kidding me? That'd be amazing. Like, dude, that'd be so fucking cool. I know, I was convinced as well. Yeah, for sure, man. I just need to grab http.beauty, obviously. Dude, some of these are so fucking expensive. Are you kidding me? Oh, http.autos would have been a good one too. And just put my picture on it? Damn right. It's only 20 grand. Are you kidding me? I know, the bargain basement price. Dude, how is it that all of these are so fucking expensive? I don't know. Like, who is locking these up being like, oh, I'm gonna make a fucking killing? Right? Who is the squatter that thinks this is a good idea? Oh, stacking, didn't you see the fact that someone had like an Orbitz like drink that they bought for $10 at a Value Village? Or Goodwill or whatever? Dude, some people are crazy. Chris.com, ooh, http.chris.com. That'd be pretty good. That'd be pretty solid. I'd be into it. Let's go look at name.com and see if they got any good ones. So .pets, http.pets, not available, not available. Yeah, well, shit. .horse, though. Not available? Someone bought http.horse? What a fucking jerk. How dare they? Oh, well, there you go. HTTPS that dog. That's cold-blooded. That's cold-blooded. But alright, so I need to go raid somebody. I think we go raid DM Mulroy. Because, yeah, I got sushi to eat and I got some fucking games to play. I'm going to play a bunch of fucking Baldur's Gate tonight. Like, hours of it. I know, how can you own http.horse and not point it somewhere? Like, what the fuck, dude? Just the worst. Like, people suck. Now, hold on. Let me look. Did I actually buy it? I can't remember. I don't think I did. Yeah, I think I thought about it and then totally didn't. I'm playing a bard. A halfling bard. Basically, Tamlin from Vox Machina. Abso-fucking-lutely. Yeah, I'm basically playing Tamlin. Hey there, folks! Yeah, let's do the thing! Right? That's the voice that I got. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. You're going bard, half-elf? Okay. Halfling, half-elf. Close enough. But yeah, so I got some whiskey I'm going to pour. We're going to go hang out with DM Mulroy. As far as I know, I haven't seen him stream before. Oh, yeah. I'll be over on gaming. If y'all don't know, I got a gaming channel that we can all hang out on. We're going to watch like one episode of Red Dwarf while I eat some sushi. And then we're hopping right into the fucking game. No big deal. So yeah, if y'all want to watch me and Wormbane and James Plays GM play some Baldur's Gate 3 over here on the gaming stream, there's the link. Have at it. I'll see you guys over there in a bit. You follow Griffing and Chill too? Oh, you already follow DM Mulroy. Perfect. Well, yeah, we're going to go say hi to him. I'll see you guys over there, and I'll see you guys over on gaming, right? Right? See you guys soon. BRB.